Hi everyone, it's Daniela and welcome back to my channel. It's time for the last project and the winner. Thank you so much to everyone who joined Susan and I for the 5 days of Halloween. Hashtag Halloween fun. We had a great time. This was so awesome. I know I want to do it again for Christmas. Hopefully Susan wants to too, because this was just too much fun. And thank you all so much for your beautiful comments and all your support and your love. You mean so much to me, and I know that you know that because I know that you're all awesome, and I'm grateful to know each and every one of you. So thank you. My last project is this little paper purse. It's all Halloween blinged out. It's got this like resin kind of spider web and this it's metal and a skull, and it's got these cute little skulls and a couple of spiders and a spider trim around the bottom and two more little skull and crossbone spider trim and a fuzzy spider. And all of these things will go in this bag. Now, you might be saying, well, where's the tutorial you said? I made this bag a couple months ago. I'm going to link the video in the description box. You go there, just click the link and it'll take you to the video. And in that description box is a full cut list of all of the score marks and cuts you need to make and all of that kind of fun. So you can see the video tutorial and get all the info that you need. So it's an adorable little purse, and it's modeled after a purse that I have that has this kind of a shape. And on the inside, I'm just showing you this. I used a piece of, I did this, then this is just either heavy cardstock or light cardboard. But this pocketbook, the way it's designed, it turns flat. So now it's only that thick. So now you can put it in an envelope, and then when you get it, put your little latch there, but you would put all your cute goodies in it first and get it all decorated and ready to go. Something like this, you know, you put that guy there, and you got one of these here, or you keep this open to the back like so. It's Velcro. Don't Velcro it, keep it out like that. So this way you can tuck all of these things in it like that, and then like this, and then these will be in a packet, and you can put them over there, and then this guy, you know. Sorry, I might have been out of frame, but I was just showing you this. Pop all your goodies in it, and it's flat, and then when the recipient gets all of their goodies and takes them all out, you just pop this little piece of cardboard in, and you just push it down, push the bottom out. It's so hard to show. Can you see that? Cardboard. You see the bottom? Flat. Inside, flat. Now you have a real pocketbook. I used Velcro for the clasp, and that's it. So the winner of the giveaway of all the wonderful things that I had the pleasure of making, the rosettes and the mermaid tail hat and the mixed media tag and oh, the wand, of course, with a matching skull. The winner is, let me get my phone so I can see. I know what it is, but it's hard. I want to make sure I say it right. Tanya, the crazy crafty chick. You are the winner of my giveaway. My email address is in the description box. Email me your address and I will get this out to you this right away because I want you to have it before Halloween. Then you can answer the door with your wand and give out candy. So congratulations, Tanya, and thank you to everybody who commented to enter. You're all so amazing, and I am so grateful, so grateful. Thank you to Susan for playing with me and having fun and making this happen, and I will see all of you in my next video. Thank you so much again. Stay awesome. Bye.